kind of started my freshman year because I had this hobby where I was building RC planes in my basement, and every time I'd go in Dr. Wagner's engineering class, I'd always talk to him about it. And then sophomore year, me and Dr. Wagner were kind of talking about maybe turning that hobby into a club for other people at the school to enjoy.
So Drone Club has a couple different aspects. We teach kids how to fly drones, but it's a lot more than that. We also focus on filming with drones. So we do lots of like high quality recordings with the drones. And then there's also an aspect of building drones and fixing and tinkering on drones.
Our principal here at Brandywine was sort of asked to create a video for our Choice Open House without any students in here, right? And so each school was tasked to do this, and his immediate thought was like, well, what could the drone kids do? What could they do in order to capture what this school looks like for potential incoming freshmen?
What else could we have as like backup shots?
If we can show we can do it at one school, we can do it at another one. At the same time, those students that did Brandywine High School, they're in their senior year now. Those skills and knowledge and experiences that they have, we have to share with others. So what we got to do over at Claymont is not only go through the same methods that we use here at Brandywine to capture that school, look at all the improvements that have happened. We were also able to bring along our future.
Rather than just having Aiden and I there, like with Brandywine, we had about a dozen Drone Club members that were able to observe, watch us fly, and even we handed them the controller and they were able to fly and record themselves. So looking to the future, we're just helping to train more Drone Club members as Aiden and I graduate.
One thing we can't do is we can't go over that major highway.
Yeah.
The experience of Drone Club and Brandywine High School in general, like it's really opened my mind to like what sort of things I can do like as a person. Like I was just enabled to like have this vision and start it up.
Nice.
Cool. Nice job, Christian.
I was a student at Claymont Elementary, so to be able to have this opportunity to give back to the community, just volunteer my time, Drone Club's time, and just our ability to use our creative efforts to really show off these awesome renovations was a super cool experience for me. I had never seen any of the new changes to the building. So it was just really cool to be able to see them and capture them for others that haven't seen what's being done at Claymont Elementary.
So this is the experience that we got over at Claymont. It was a win for, hopefully for Claymont, the district, the taxpayers that will be able to see what Claymont is now as a beautiful school. But it was a win for these guys as well. Not just where we are now, but where we hope to be able to go.